almost had the girls on fleek.
That's how people get deep discounts.
What kind?
Deep discounts.
With your handsome self.
Be back like the Man, if I would have failed,
Then I would have laughed. As long as you didn't hurt yourself. What? How may I help you, sir?
lock the door, chump.
This is after sleeping with my hair loose, albeit on a silk pillow. I need some lashes. How is it that I've been going the last days with my falsies and then I come out without even any mascara? It's whack. So let me talk to you why I like the bristle of this mascara. This L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lash Mascara. It's because the bristle is the perfect blend between a comb and a brush. And it's like the thinnest comb imaginable that's just short of a brush. And these bristles are everything, not a brush that won't deposit mascara, but it's also not a comb because you want to be able to brush off, eat every lash. So this is perfect. Yours is still the champ.
What's that?
Your mascara.
Is that
The voluminous.
voluminous?
Because even though old girls was, you could see the one lash versus the other right on camera and how different it was. I don't know if it's just her lashes or not, because they didn't do all that to mine. Not only that, it's not, I don't know that it's supposed to be even, but it's not very
There's some sand.
waterproof. Huh?
She mixed some sand in there.
No, she didn't mix no
So it can build.
You ain't-
That's what she didn't tell y'all.
Oh my God. Yours is still the champ with my lashes, and you know, some bitches have beautiful lashes without mascara. It's just that mascara makes them go, well, I say goddamn. Yeah, that lady was all up in my fingernail polish color. She was all, is that? I don't know what color that is. Bitch, you know it's nothing on the bottom of
The
there.
purple thing.
Stop talking to me. But if she saw this color, then she knew I didn't want to be bothered.
She said, "Oh, eggplant." Something like, who you calling egg?
Yeah, she didn't do well at all.
Everybody got to start somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Just not on me.
Not on me, and not today. She was so eager too. I knew it had to be something.
In the white neighborhood, how much ketchup you get?
Yes.
In the white neighborhood, you get a lot of ketchup. Unless you profile me.
When you know you're not in the hood anymore.
She didn't even think like, okay, they got one large fry, there's no way they need all this ketchup.
Right.
So either she was on some I know how they are,
Right.
or they just ketchup.
Right.
Man, she'll be so fired in the hood.
I know. Don't be supplying they condiments in their household. You know how they do. I like how my hair is getting fluffy today. Usually it just goes into nap, but it now,
Your hair don't ever nap.
yes it
Liar.
does. But now it's going into fluff.
Okay, next time your hair got a nap in it, let me see it.
Okay.
Not one you made. Oh, that don't mean walk around the house looking jacked up.
Stupid.
I didn't choose the rhyme trophy. That's yours, this mine. Hey, grab
Oh, that is you. With an E.
yeah.
But they sell a lot of these. So is it a gum or candy?
It's like cheese. It's like candy cheese.
Okay. That's what I thought. I wasn't sure. It tastes like sneezes.
Like what?
Sneezes.
Sleep on the station, number one in the streets, Power 92.
You gonna ruin all your money,
For what?
the braces you paid for by giving me this shit.
You gotta get another procedure.
Your investment.
That you ain't paying.
I know I'm January. Things that they could do are things that's not gonna put a real dent in anyone. But
I know. That's the only reason I locked you up.
oh, this is oh my God. Oh Jesus.
I think you said that.
Is what?
The ones that I throw away.
Sneeze candy.
What's sneeze?
What's the name
Do I
of
keep straight?
Yeah.
What's the name of what?
What's the name is candy.
How'd you? Oh. He's stupid.
Sneeze candy.